Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. I am here today to unbox the July 2021 Petit Vour box. Just wanted to get one thing out of the way. I apologize for not having a video up the other day. I've been very consistent with having a video on Wednesdays and Saturdays for a while, and I posted the Clean Beauty News for June. And one of you let me know that halfway through the video was corrupted. And when I went into my editing software to try to upload it again, it was my edited video was corrupted. So I wasn't able to do that. And then I had a house full of myself. I was sick, my kids were sick that weekend, which coincided with my son's birthday. So I wasn't able to, put it up again. And a few days later I went in and everything was good. So I posted it on this Saturday, I guess. Yeah. So anyways, I think it was last Wednesday that I wasn't posting correctly at the right time or something. So anyways, I just want to apologize, let you guys know why I didn't post, and thank you for telling me that the video was corrupted for the person who did. I appreciate it. And hopefully I'll be able to just keep doing the Wednesdays and Saturdays as before. So just wanted to let you know. All right, let's unbox the July 2021 Petit Vour box. So let's see, we have a nice little colorful design here. All right, I always just love just the excitement of not knowing what's in here and unboxing. So let's do this little bugger. John Masters Organic Scalp Stimulating Shampoo with Spearmint and Meadowsweet. That's what that is. All right, it is a $14 value. Organic spearmint and peppermint oils stimulate and refresh the scalp, while meadowsweet flower extract and eucalyptus oil balance sebum levels. 2 ounces. That's cool. I can't recall if we've gotten a shampoo yet in the 6 months or 7 months I've had it so far. And I actually have been getting some dry scalp in July, which isn't typical. So maybe this will help with the spearmint and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, I am gonna open it. It is sealed. I just want to give it a little sniff to see how it smells, if it's very minty, because I will try it out so I can do my review on the box. Whoa, it smells like toothpaste. It's super spearminty. So yeah, it's spearmint and peppermint oils. That's good. I like the smell of it. So cool. I don't think I've ever used anything by John Masters Organic, so cool. Next up is, all right, we're in a peppermint mode. We have Moon Rivers Naturals Peppermint Lava Salt Hand and Body Nutrient-Rich Body Cleanser. That's fun too. Let's see, we have Peppermint Lava Salt Soap. All right, I don't know if I got that part. $9. And we have, it says, for face, hand, and body, this all-natural soap is enhanced with black lava salt, peppermint, and a pinch of activated charcoal for a light detox. 2 ounces. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure if I would use this on my face, but all right, that is minty as well. This is an interesting product. Hand and body. See, it doesn't say face here, but on the paper it does. So it says specially designed. Somebody mentioned this in a video. Specially designed for those deathly afraid of a used bar of soap with or without the curlies. Anyways, then it says nutrient-rich oils saponified and blended with the vital minerals of lava salt, the detoxifying power of activated charcoal, and the bright, energizing infusion of peppermint essential oil combined for the perfect full body cleanser. So yeah, I'm gonna not do my face with this one and use hand or body. So cool, that's cool. We have 2 little products so far. And let's see, let's do this one. Gold Faden MD. Excuse me, still getting over a cough. Solution Pure Start Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser. A daily multitasking advanced cleanser that dissolves impurities, removing dead skin, excess oil, and or makeup in one simple step. Pure Start Cleanser, $5. Sorry, I didn't hold that up. A hypoallergenic daily cleanser that dissolves impurities and removes dead skin, excess oil, and makeup in one simple step. Fun. I love trying face washes. And I have received something from them, but I haven't tried it yet. So I think this is the first time I'll be using Gold Fade and MD's, one of their products. So I'm happy with that face wash. And lastly, we have Sappho New Paradigm Skin Perfecting Primer for dry skin. Cool. So I'm not a huge makeup wearer, as you can probably tell, and I don't own a primer, and I'm pretty sure I never have. So this is really cool because this is something I don't have. I really like the packaging. So let's see, it is Sappho Skin Perfecting Primer, $36. A lightweight, phytonutrient-rich, silicone-free base formula, providing an extra layer of nourishment between skincare and foundation, 30 milliliters. So I'm not really wearing foundation. So I guess, do I need a primer if I'm not wearing foundation? I will need to look into that. One of you can comment and just let me know. But I think you don't need a primer if you're not wearing a foundation, but I don't know. So that's cool. It says, gently apply with foundation brush or your fingers. I mean, nobody really cares what primer looks like, right? Because it's white, it doesn't matter. It smells nice. Yeah, it's nice. Very like subtle, clean smell. It blended in nicely. I understand the concept of what a primer is meant to do, so feels good. All right, so that is everything for this box. I think this is pretty great. We have the primer for $36, the scalp stimulating shampoo for $14, so that puts us at $50 between those two. And then we have the peppermint lava soap for $9, and the Gold Fade and Gentle Detoxifying Facial Cleanser for $5. So we're at $50 plus $14, so we're at $64 value. Pretty great. That's everything for this one. I would love to know if you guys got the same items or different things, or if you've used any of these and what you think. I still need to do my review of June's beauty box, or Petit Vour box. So that'll be a video coming up soon. I haven't done that yet, but I like to do it before the end of the month. This one came a little bit earlier than it usually does, so I'm just like, let's get the unboxing video out, and I can do the other one to tell you about June in a video coming soon. So please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and click the subscribe button so you will get alerted for when I post my videos. And thanks for watching, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.